Hi, I am Surya Prakash. Now I am going to take the experiment number 6 configurations of diamonding routing RIPv1 and RIPv2. Aim to design a network topologies to perform the initial router configuration required for connectivity by using IP address and configuration diamonding routing using RIPv1 and RIPv2 for the classful and classless networks. Now the description. Dynamic routing, also called adaptive routing, is process where a router can forward data via a different route or given destination based on the current conditions of the communication circuit within a system. The term is most commonly associated with the data networking to describe the capability of network to route around damage such as loss of node or connections between nodes, so long as other path choice are available. Dynamic routing allows as many routes possible to remain value in response to change. Now the configuration command is step 1, enable diamond routing. To enable diamond routing, enter protocol, enter global configuration mode and use router command. Enter the router at the global configuration format to see a list of available routing protocols on your router. To enable RIP, enter the common router RIP in global configuration mode. Now the step 2, enter the classful network address. Once you are routing configuration mode, enter the classful network address for each directly connect network using the network command. And now we are going to see the screenshots of programs. Now the procedure of configuration IP addressing on the host PCs. Configure routers interfaces. Configure routers to install dynamic routing in the routing table. Test and verify the configuration. Now the topology diagram is this one. In this we have to see the PC2 and PC2 FA2, and this is the diagram for topology. And we have to give the server an IP address, server 1 and server 2, and we have to favor 0 by 0, and we have to give the IP address to, and second topology diagram is this one. That's also same. We have to give the IP address and default gateway and R1, R2, R3, and then we have to give the ascending table RIPv1. In this device interface, IP address and subnet mask and default gateway. This R1, R2, R3, we have to give the 3. So for and PC1, PC2, PC3. Now the ascending table for RIPv2, device interface, IP address, submask, default gateway. On the out3, FA 0 by 0, 10 NA. Now the next PC1 network. Now this is the output of the ping from PC2 router, and screenshot of the configurations of RIPv2 from the another router, this one only, and then screenshot of the table of any router, and it has the gateway of last router is not set. Now the screenshot of running configuration. Running configuration is fast Ethernet. It will give router RIP, and then screenshot of show IP interface brief. RIPv1 and RIPv2. RIPv1 is invalid after 180 seconds, hold on 180, flashed after 240. redistributing RIP default version control, send version 1 and receive any version. Now the RIPv2 routing IP protocol and sending that as next one RIPv1 database. We have to see this is the RIPv1 database, and we have to see the RIPv2 database, and this is the RIPv2 database, and we are going to see the debugging of RIP. This is the screenshot of debugging RIP, and debugging of RIPv2 is this one. Then the result is to design a network topology to perform the initiator rule configuration, packet for connectivity by reducing the IP addresses and configuring the diamond routing using RIPv1 and RIPv2 for the classful and classless networks is executed successfully and verified. Thank you.